welcome back. Now we're going to animate, okay? So in the previous video, I started to do it, but I want to focus on this video and animate it. So we were talking about opacity. So what I did is I clicked on opacity, and on this keyframe, which is at 0 seconds, I made the opacity 0, okay? And then when we got to, I scrubbed forward, and when the lower third showed up, I turned the opacity to 100%, okay? Now we're going to play this and see where I say, hi, I'm Josh Warner, and right before that, we're going to make the text disappear.
The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
Right there. So when I say the Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you, and I point at you and say you, now we want to set the opacity to 0. Okay? And so for the rest of the timeline,
Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading.
For the rest of the timeline now, it's going to be 0. Okay? So these keyframes, here it's at 0%. When I get here, I don't remember what the exact second is. Let me look. 6 seconds and 14 frames. When I get to 6 seconds and 14 frames, it's 100% in visual. Okay? And then when I get to 9 seconds and 16 frames, it goes back to 0. And now for the rest of the video, it's going to be hidden. Okay? And the reason why I like to keep these assets on the entire timeline is that way if I need to activate them for any reason, they're already there. You can cut them up and do all that. That's fine. But it's not going to bloat the video up any more or any less if that graphic is there at 0%. Okay? It's like it's not even there, basically. So let's play this and see how it looks, and then we'll make any adjustments that we need to.
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading through this course.
Okay, so you see what the problem is right away. Because I set this as a keyframe, it's slowly showing the graphic. So let's delete this keyframe. Okay. Now what I want to do is let's turn off opacity for a second. And everything I told you before was not correct. Okay. We're going to do this. I'm going to scrub this to 5 seconds. So whenever we show the lower third, that's where we're going to bring the graphic in. Okay? So let's see how this looks now.
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
Okay, so then we'll split this off. And the thing that I told you before, I do like to keep stuff on the timeline, but for this example, because of what I just saw here, I need to make an adjustment, okay? So let's take a look at this one more time, and then we'll jump into the next video. We're going to add another lower third to a different area of the video, okay?
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 20.
Okay, so
Ideas to life. The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
There you go. So you can see that right as I say the words, the graphic shows up. Okay. So that's how we animate the course title. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.